Hi guys, we're here inside Greenz and Wheelz truck and we're gonna dive into the salad world. Let's start, this is Raul and he's gonna show us a little bit of Greenz and Wheelz salad section. We're gonna start out with a barbecue salad.
Barbecue chicken salad.
Perfect. Let's see. Let me move out of the way.
Get a bag of romaine lettuce. Take it over this way. Some jack cheese.
And all the veggies are
Fresh cut.
fresh cut and organic. And now we have, what are you adding right here?
This one is jicama. The first one is tomato.
Oh.
This next one we're gonna add is black beans with corn. A little bit of cilantro.
I love cilantro.
Some green onions. Bring it back down this way for some chicken.
And how's the chicken prepped?
The chicken is grilled.
And then there's a barbecue sauce on it?
It's going to have a barbecue ranch, and then the last ingredient we're going to add is our crispy tortillas.
Wow. What salad dressing would you recommend with that?
It comes with a barbecue ranch. This dressing here.
You excited to try the salad?
Really excited. Time for some veggies. Let's not forget the barbecue chicken, which is a key ingredient. Wow. So good. And then the next one would be the Chinese chicken salad.
Yes, we'll start with
Let's start with that right away.
romaine lettuce.
What is the difference in preparation with this chicken?
This one is pulled white chicken. And the next ingredient we're gonna add is some green onions, water chestnuts.
Water chestnut, okay. And now we're gonna add
Some crispy wontons.
Oh, I love wontons.
Those salads, they look very LA. Very LA healthy.
This is what the crowd wants. That's what Greenz and Wheelz will provide, right?
This is almonds. Then
Is it toasted almonds?
yes. And
Very good.
the next ingredient is gonna be sesame seeds
Perfect.
with Chinese dressing.
And how's the dressing prepped?
The dressing is a secret because it's soon to be famous.
Oh, okay, you guys. So we cannot reveal the special dressing as it is a secret, but I will get to try it. So let's see if I can guess some of the ingredients. I swear I will not say it. We'll talk about it after this, see if I got any of the ingredients right.
Alright, the last salad we're going to prepare is a Greek salad. Comes with romaine lettuce, some cucumbers, and some pepperoni,
Wow.
some olives,
and here's
some feta cheese, some red onions, a little more for color. Tomato.
which one would you say is your best seller?
The two top sellers are these: the barbecue
chicken,
and the Chinese chicken.
but those are all really good options for summertime, which in LA is most of the year anyways. And this will be also a very good idea for your next birthday party, wedding party, corporate offices, parties. Greenz and Wheelz got you.
And this one comes with a balsamic dressing.
Ooh, balsamic dressing is one of my favorite. So good. Perfect summer lunch or dinner or snack in between lunch and dinner. This looks so good. Wow. so fresh. Well, which one are you gonna try now then? Because you get to try one with me.
I would try this one, the Chinese chicken.
So I should try the barbecue, chicken one? One
And
of
this
the most
one
famous?
also can be served with grilled chicken, so it can be Greek with chicken.
So you can add on
Yeah.
chicken.
We can add some now so you can see what it looks like.
Just a little twist on your classic Greek salad. Sounds good to me. Okay.
Dive in.
Get some
Dive
forks.
in. Yes, I'm not gonna eat with my hands. I'll behave. I'll use a fork. Take it, roll.
Cheers.
Cheers to salads and summertime. Let me see here. So good. Well, I'm gonna be busy for a few minutes, you guys, so I'll catch up later.